Welcome back to our channel, where we are passionate about promoting health and well-being. Today, we're diving into a topic that is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind: the 10 essential nutrients. Ensuring that our bodies receive these vital nutrients is crucial for optimal health. So, let's explore them together. Before we begin, it's important to note that a balanced diet is key to obtaining these nutrients. Remember to consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Now, let's discover the 10 essential nutrients that our bodies need. Protein. Our first essential nutrient is protein. It plays a vital role in building and repairing tissues, supporting a healthy immune system, and maintaining muscle mass. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and tofu. Carbohydrates. Next up, we have carbohydrates. They are our body's primary source of energy. Opt for complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, as they provide essential fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Healthy fats. Now, let's talk about healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, fats are crucial for our bodies. They help with nutrient absorption, hormone production, and brain function. Include sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, in your diet. Vitamins. Moving on to vitamins, these are essential for various bodily functions. Vitamin C boosts our immune system, while vitamin D promotes bone health. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, and fortified foods in your diet to obtain a range of vitamins. Minerals. Minerals, such as calcium, iron, and potassium, are crucial for our bodies to function properly. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth, while iron helps transport oxygen in our blood. Incorporate foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and legumes to meet your mineral needs. Fiber. Don't forget about fiber. It aids in digestion, promotes satiety, and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are excellent sources of fiber. Water. While not a nutrient per se, water is vital for our overall health. Staying hydrated is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and regulating body temperature. Aim to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Antioxidants. Let's not overlook antioxidants. These powerful compounds protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Colorful fruits and vegetables, such as berries, spinach, and tomatoes, are rich in antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial for heart health and brain function. Include fatty fish like salmon or trout, flax seeds, and walnuts in your diet to obtain these essential fats. Probiotics. Last but not least, we have probiotics. These friendly bacteria support gut health and aid in digestion. Enjoy yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or other fermented foods to introduce probiotics into your diet. And there you have it, the 10 essential nutrients for a healthy body and mind. Remember, a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key to obtaining these vital nutrients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your body and nourish your mind.